Hidden WhatsApp trick you should try right now. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial I will tell you about that trick. So for that simply go to WhatsApp. Now here I will simply open any chat. Here I will tell you the trick. So the basically for trick you guys will simply write your message. For example, I am sending a message to that person like how are you? How was your day? And what are you doing now? So after writing your message, the trick was you will simply click here on start alphabet before. Now go to 1 to 3. Here click on that star. Now we will add same star on end of that last alphabet. Now you guys can see my text was changed to bold font. Even if you send that to someone, they will receive that text in same form like bold type. Thanks for watching.